So this lesson is about solving equations by graphing, and specifically using a graphing calculator. So this is a pretty simple equation, but it's going to be used to show you the method of graphing both sides of an equation. So what you can do is you can split this equation up into two functions. You can say y equals 1/2 x plus 5, and you can also say y equals 3x minus 1. So the idea is when you graph both of these functions, you can find the point of intersection, and that is where the x values are the same, and that x value is a solution to your equation. Well, let's take a look on the calculator. So you have both functions already entered in, and so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to graph, and then there you can see that there is an intersection point. So we need to find that intersection. Go to second, and then trace, which is calculate, and then we're going to do intersection, which is option 5. And I'm just going to press enter. It's on the first curve. Enter again. It's on the second curve. Guess. Yeah, it is going to guess, but it'll be an accurate guess. Okay, so it says x equals 2.4. Now that may be the exact answer, or it may be a really close, approximate, rounded answer. But for most situations, that will work. So again, the x value of the intersection point is the solution to the equation. Okay, so here's a quadratic equation. That can be solved by graphing also. So I'm entering the equation in as a function. It was already solved equal to 0, so this will work just fine. And we'll graph it. So I can see one intersection. It's an x squared, so I know it's a parabola. Maybe I need to adjust the window a little bit to see the whole thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the x max to, say, 20. And the y min, because it goes down below, needs to be a bigger negative number, so minus 20 for that, let's say. Let's see what that does. Okay. Well, I can't see the whole parabola, but I can see the 2 points of intersection. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a calculator to calculate the x-intercepts. And those x-intercepts, the x value, will be the solutions to the equation. So second trace, which is calculate. This time we're going to do a 0. And we want to be to the left of the 0. There I am. Okay, to the left, enter, and then move to the right, enter, guess, enter one more time. And that x-intercept is 0.61 and then 0 for y. So that first solution for the equation is x equals 0.61. And again, that is a rounded solution, not an exact solution. Now I'm going to calculate the other one. Second calc again. Choose 0. Now we need to move over to the right to get near the other x-intercept. There I am right there. I'm to the left of it. Enter. Now go to the right of the x-intercept. Enter one more time. 11.39 is the rounded value there. So once again, you're only using the x value of the x-intercept. So my two solutions for this equation are x equals 0.61 and 11.39. And that's the big picture for this lesson.